Namaskar dear students, welcome you to our channel by Gulab Sir. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is double circulation. As in word double, that means two times. Same blood flows two times through the heart. Once it comes as a deoxygenated blood and later when it purifies that deliver the carbon dioxide and receive the oxygen in lungs, once again come as a oxygenated blood and flow through the heart. So same blood flow two times through the heart, once as a deoxygenated and another time as a oxygenated. Hence it is known as double circulation. And it is possible because of that 4-chamber heart. Otherwise in amphibians, because of 3-chamber heart, they have double circulation, but it is incomplete double circulation since they pump mixed blood. So in birds and mammals there is a complete double circulation, and it become possible because of that circulatory pathway also. There are two circulatory pathway. One is pulmonary circulatory pathway and another is systemic circulatory pathway. That means pulmonary circulatory pathway, it is the circulatory pathway between heart to lungs and lungs to heart. And systemic circulatory pathway, that is the pathway between heart to different body part and from different body part to heart. Now to illustrate it, pulmonary circulation composed of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs to deliver the carbon dioxide, and pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood that receive the oxygen and carry that oxygenated blood to the left auricle. So this circulation is known as pulmonary circulation. And what is systemic circulation? That is the circulation between heart to different body part and different body part to heart. Aorta, arterioles and capillaries that carry oxygenated blood from heart to the different body part to deliver the oxygen and nutrition, as well as to collect the carbon dioxide. So after delivering oxygen, that carbon dioxide containing blood come back to the heart through venulets, vein, large vein, vena cava. So this circulation is known as systemic circulation. Now these two pathways help to have these two circulations of that same blood, and hence it is called as double circulation. This is a diagram, it's very clearly shown. You can go through, draw it and practice it. These are the evening, you are familiar, already we had some lectures on heart, so you are familiar with these words. To continue, you can see here I have prepared a short note for you. What is double circulation? That is one definition. What is pulmonary circulation and what is systemic circulation? Same word I have written here. So it becomes very easy to prepare a note for 3 marks. What is double circulation? Explain it. As well, in addition to this double circulation, one circulation is there, that is an exception, called portal vein. That instead of carrying blood from different body part to heart, it carry from one part to another part, hence it is called portal. For example, hepatic portal vein carry deoxygenated blood from digestive system to liver. It does not mean that it has to carry oxygen and carbon dioxide, but it has to carry that fresh digested content which absorb into the blood to the liver for checking toxic component. So therefore it is not directly go to the heart, instead it go to the liver to check the toxic component so as to get free from that toxic component. So liver is a guard of our body, so it remove the toxic component. Hence this hepatic portal vein carry blood from digestive tract to liver. So what is portal vein? Question can be asked. There are two portal vein in your body. One is hepatic portal vein, what I explained to you. Another is hypophyseal portal vein that connect hypothalamus with pituitary. Instead of carrying that blood from hypothalamus to heart, it carry blood from hypothalamus to pituitary to transfer the hormone, neurohormones from hypothalamus to pituitary. That vein is known as hypophyseal portal vein. So please remember this for NEET, that we have two portal vein. One is hepatic portal vein and another is hypophyseal portal vein. Otherwise, the topic is double circulation, that you did understand with this label diagram what is double circulation with pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. I hope this was a very short and simple video with simple explanation, easy to prepare and write in examination. I'm happy that you are continuously backing up and seeing our videos. Keep on sharing and liking our channel as well as subscribing it if you are new. I also appeal you to press bell icon so as to receive notification as and when new videos are uploaded. Thank you. Enjoy the learning.